Welcome back, friends. We're here in Hawaii for one of the few fairs in the state, and expectations are high.
Ronnie is a mainland transplant to Hawaii, and he's made it home. He started serving up his take on Hawaiian cuisine a decade ago, and today he's wowing the carnival crowds with his sweet roll slider.
I mean, it looks amazing. I want to taste it.
You should do it.
Can I taste it?
On the menu today, we're going sweet roll slider.
Sweet roll slider.
And it all starts right here, front and center. We're making a marinade.
Yeah. It's essentially these 7 ingredients. Lemongrass, some onions, garlic, brown sugar, fish sauce.
And now we're hitting it with some soy.
Yep, little vegetable oil. Take that pork right there, get that in the marinade. Slather that around in there.
The pork belly marinates overnight, and then it's cooked low and slow in the oven to lock in the flavor. This one is ready to go.
Now we take this thing, we're gonna slice it to a slider-sized piece, right? And then we're gonna sear it to order.
Boom, hit it, get it hot and ready.
We take some of these little Hawaiian rolls here.
Sweet rolls are a staple of Hawaiian cuisine. They get their sweetness from pineapple juice and sugar added to the dough.
Yeah, so you toast up the bun a little bit.
We're gonna crisp it up a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That's good.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Gochujang mayonnaise.
What is that?
It's Korean miso pepper paste. Put a little greens on here, some local spring mix.
Now we're into the pork belly.
Pickled onions, and then you top it.
When are they ready?
They're ready.
Guys, I'm gonna eat it. Oh. I mean, honest to goodness, that's a perfectly executed pork belly sandwich. And there is nothing softer and more beautiful to bite into than that sweet Hawaiian roll. And then from there, I mean, come on, the beautiful, fatty, delicious pork belly. The balance of the marinade, the soy, the lemongrass, that combination is killer. Little crunch of the lettuce, pickled onion.
It's beautiful.
Plus the sliders, so you can just pop them back. Wow.
That special mayo, that's, I think, the key right there.
The meat is tender.
Yeah, it is.
The Hawaiian sweet roll is super soft.
Have you figured out what to do with the second one?
Maybe share it with my husband?
So I guess we have to go get married.